Hey guys, Miss Hendry here. All right, we are going to learn about the letter R. This is the capital R right here and the lowercase r. R says R. And for us to remember that, Miss Hendry is going to tell you a silly story. So Miss Hendry was pirating on a desert island, on an island, and she stumbled across a treasure chest. And inside the treasure chest, she found a ring. But all of a sudden, a mean pirate showed up and he said, "Arr, give me my ring." Oh, Miss Hendry said, "Oh, you can have it." All right. So let's look. Here's capital R and the lowercase r. R says R. All right, so here is a ring, rabbit, robot, and rose. When Miss Hendry says, "What does R say?" I like to go R like a pirate. All right, so let's look and see how we write the letter R. I pull down, a hump, a slant line, then a pull down, a hump, pull down, a hump, slant line, pull down, and a hump. All right, guys. R says R. Bye, guys.